Hey, good morning, everybody. You're tuning in to howtoplaystock.com. My name is Casey. I want to thank all my new subscribers for tuning in, and for those of you that are new to the channel, I just want to let again, thank you. And in my videos, I'm going to be tracking some of the financial news in the markets, giving you updates from time to time on different asset classes and assets, and giving you my thoughts and opinions on what it is that I'm doing throughout time, as I'm investing myself and making some trades here and there. So I'm just going to keep you up to date throughout the year on all of that. And from time to time, I'll shoot videos on articles that are coming out from like Google Finance to Zero Hedge, etc. And today's video is no different. I found an article here on Google Finance, and the title to it was Weakness Ahead. MACD shows these 80 stocks are set to crack. Okay, so before I get started, again, I just want to thank you guys for supporting the channel and supporting myself. And with that said, let's get started here. Okay, so today's article, it's I'm just gonna start reading it here. Okay, as NSE's Nifty 50 index settled flat on Tuesday, momentum indicator moving average convergence divergence, or the MACD, signaled bearish crossovers for 80 stocks. Now, if you're not familiar with what the MACD is, that's an indicator that you can use on technical analysis. And I actually just finished a course on day trading, and I explain how to use the MACD. The course is $14.99. You can go check it out at my website. I've actually got it posted under the strategies tab. So if you go to howtoplaystock.com, you can go, and I've got a link in the description for that. Just go to the website, go to the strategies tab, and then under the strategies tab, go down to my trades. Okay, and I'm posting all my trades there that I make, and at the very bottom is the trading course, and I've got videos where I go in and I show you live trades, and they're all winning trades, and they show you. I basically break it down with all the indicators that I use on my trades that have given me about 85% winning trade, or winning ratio, over the past, I would say, 3.5 years at least. All right, so check it out. It's well worth $14.99. I mean, I know myself personally, I spend well over that just on you know Starbucks coffee and going to Quick Trip. All right, so it's worth it. It's made thousands of dollars for me over the past couple of years in passive income, and I think you'll find it very beneficial. So let's get back to the article here. The MACD, on the daily chart, the index formed a bearish candle carrying both side shadows. However, it has continued to form lower highs and lower lows, indicating weakness ahead. The index hit an intraday low of 10,404 on Tuesday, which was around the earlier breakout level of 10,400. It remains an immediate support zone. However, any violation of this support zone will trigger uh, further downside towards 10,370 and 10,330 levels. And this is coming from Rajesh Pavia. He's a technical and derivatives analyst at Axis Securities. On the upside, the 10,460 and 10,480 levels remain key supply zone. Both momentum indicator, stochastic, and strength indicator RSI are in the negative territory, which signals weakness ahead. And again, in my trading course, I cover the RSI as well, and I show you how to use those. Among the counters that saw bearish crossovers are ICICI Bank, NCC, ITC, and these are all ticker symbols, so you can go in and just enter the ticker symbols there and pull those up. Um, let's see here: Bombay Dyeing, Infosystems, Airvind. There's a list of them here. I'll put the link for this article in the description as well, so you guys can go back and read it at a later time. Some of these counters have also been witnessing strong trading volumes, adding further credibility to the emerging trend. Other stocks that have witnessed bearish crossovers, and again, I explain crossovers in my trading course, include the PNB Housing Finance, Mirza International, VLS Finance, and the list goes on there. MACD is a trend following momentum indicator and is the difference between the 26-day and the 12-day exponential moving averages. All right, now I don't really pay too much attention to the 26-day and the 12-day on moving averages, guys. I specifically look for crossovers going into downtrends and uptrends, and once you learn how to read MACD charts, it's pretty straightforward, and so it gives you a good indicator. You can use it on any chart, so you can use it on like 10-minute, 15-minute, 4-hour, etc. A 9-day exponential moving average, called the signal line, is plotted on top of the MACD to reflect buy or sell opportunities. When the MACD slips below the signal line, it gives a bearish signal on the charts, indicating the price of the security may experience a downward movement, and vice versa. And so now here they give you a list of stocks, and this is the MACD, which is crossed below the signal there. However, the MACD alone may not be sufficient to help take an investment call. So again, you want to stack this indicator with multiple indicators, and I show you which indicators that I use. And I've gotten a lot of these off of courses that I've taken over the years, given by experts, people who've been on Wall Street, and I've just applied everything that I've learned through the years, and then started practicing. And I can tell you, it's solid. It's like 85% win ratio, maybe a little bit higher. I know on cryptos, for instance, those are super volatile, and they move really fast in price action. And even with those, it's a lot harder to time the markets or make trades with those as opposed to say like stocks. And even with cryptos, I've managed to come out with like a 79% win ratio so far, and that's from all my trades I've made from May of 2017 moving forward. And I just got done with all my taxes as far as my capital gains and cost basis. I made over, just to give you a little indicator as to how well this strategy works, using the MACD and the other indicators, I've managed to make over 66 trades with a 79% win ratio just in the cryptos. Traders should make use of other indicators such as the relative strength index, the RSI, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci series, candlestick patterns, and stochastics to confirm such trends. Like I was saying, you just stack it with other indicators, and in that trading course I cover the Bollinger Bands, the RSI, the MACD, and really what it comes down to is just finding a few indicators that work really consistently for you, and then just stick them with those. Okay, don't try to overdo it, because you can put too many indicators on your charts, and then you end up with a bunch of basically confusion when you're looking at the charts because you've got so much stuff on there. So I usually like to stick to about 3 or 4 indicators at the most. Continuing here, retail investors should consult a financial expert before buying or selling a stock based on such technical indicators, okay? And I'm going to tell you myself, I'm not a financial planner or somebody who I would consider like a guru. I'm not an expert. I do lose from time to time, so if you're somebody who's looking to get into some trading, short term, or even investing for that matter, be prepared to lose some money because that's just the nature of the business, okay? So as kind of a disclaimer here, if you're going to check out my trading course, guys, just know that you are going to lose some money. And it really comes down to, do you want to lose big or do you want to lose small? And you can control that. So again, I go into that in my trading course. I talk about money management, because you're going to have to know something about money management. You're going to have to know about stop losses, stuff like that. Continuing, meanwhile, the MACD chart also showed that 26 stocks witnessed bullish crossovers on the NSE, giving a buy signal. And a list of those stocks is down here as well, so if you want to check those out, by all means do so, because these are all stocks that are giving buy signals right now. On Tuesday, the 50-share Nifty index settled at 10,442, or up 6.65 points. So, and then they finish here. Chandon, Taperia, derivatives and technical analysis, uh, Motilal Oswal Financial Services. That's a mouthful. Probably butchered that name there. They said that Nifty has to hold above 10,450 level to witness an upwards towards 10,500. While on the downside, supports are seen at 10,400 level. If we scroll down here, there's a picture of the MACD, just so you can kind of take a look at it and see how, what everything means on that chart, and how you can kind of look at what a crossover is, and what the uptrend looks like and what the downtrend looks like. Um, so that's all for this article. But again, go check out the article, because it gives you a list of some of these stocks that are signaling a bearish downtrend at the current moment, and then stocks that are giving an MACD crossed above signal, or an uptrend signal, meaning that you could probably get in on some stocks right now that are heading up in price. Um, that's all I have for today. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and remember, guys, be patient with your trades, be patient with your investments, and the ultimate goal here is income is the outcome. All right, I'll talk to you later.